subscribers, students, learners and IT enthusiasts. Today, I am going to show you how to install Windows 10 Professional downloaded from Microsoft. If it's your first time to watch my video, please subscribe for more videos. If you did not watch my previous video, make sure to watch it to learn more. Let's start by inserting the disk installer that we have created earlier. Turn on the computer and let it boot onto the disk that we have inserted. Make sure that the BIOS is configured to boot on the USB disk installer. When you are asked for a serial number, please enter the serial number as shown. Don't worry, it is a serial number from Microsoft, and it will not activate. It is only used to identify which Windows edition to install. It is always good to install Windows which downloaded from Microsoft to make sure it is a clean distribution. Other Windows installers that are downloaded from somewhere may not as clean as the original one. Hackers may slipstream into the installer, which may include malware or backdoor. Which when after the installation, the malware will connect to the hacker. I will have another video for that, how to hack Windows using a distributed installer. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and learned something. Please don't forget to share, comment, like and subscribe.